Oh my god. So this is not the line for any superstar movie, first day, first show. This is the line for biryani. So here they give good amount of rice and peas. Guys, right now I'll tell you how to have the mutton biryani in a right way, alright? First you take some rice, take some good quantity of raita, again mix it well. Take a piece of mutton, place it on it, let's go for a big bite. Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Vincy Vibes, and I'm your host Vincent. So today being Sunday, me and my friends thought we'll go for a breakfast ride. So we are planning to go to this place which is in Hoskote, which is Anandam Biryani. So when you think about biryani, right, in Hoskote there are two famous places. One is Manidam Biryani and another one is Anandam Biryani. So I've already made a video of Manidam Biryani. I will put the link in the description. So once you complete this video, make sure you watch that video as well if you're a biryani lover. Right now the time is 4:45 a.m. So we have to start by 5 a.m. so that we reach there on time. Basically they serve mutton biryani for breakfast, so there is this long line waiting for us together to get the hands on the biryani. So towards the end of the video I will give you few tips to keep in mind before going to this place. So make sure you watch the complete video. I'm wearing cap because I wanted to try a new hairstyle which did not come out well. So I'm wearing a cap just like a cover up, and I think this also looks good, right? I mean, the swag. Without wasting any more time, let's get the vlog started. So guys, my friends are here. His name is Benjamin, my school friend, and this is Arun, my college friend. So right now the time is 6:30. I mean, it was raining till 6:15, so we had to wait near this place. So yeah, it's like 30 kilometers from my place. I think we'll reach there on time. I hope we get the biryani. Pola Manji. So guys, it's raining from last night, and if you see now, it's still drizzling. I mean, we almost had to cancel the plan, but then later we thought it's biryani and we didn't want to miss it. So guys, from Keapuram you have to take the flyover, the hanging bridge. I mean, last night IPL match was really cool. It was between Bangalore and Chennai. I mean, there's always an hype when Bangalore and Chennai face each other. But then match was really good, and Bangalore won. I mean, Bangalore is my first favorite, and second favorite is obviously Chennai. And come on, Dhoni. Who doesn't like Dhoni? So yeah, but Bangalore won the match, and Isala definitely cup namde maga. And in this Anandam Biryani, right, they serve spicy mutton biryani, so that is why it's so famous. Okay, the traffic jam started. So for the video output I'm using my action camera, and for the audio output I'm using my phone, because I mean, in this wind blast, right, if I'm using my action camera's mic, then there's gonna be a lot of wind blast, and I'm sure you guys will not hear me clearly. So that is why I'm using my phone's audio and recording it. So once I go back home, I'm gonna sync this both using the audio and video. This is gonna take a lot of time and effort, but I'm doing this for you guys, so make sure you hit on the subscribe button right now. Oh my god. So this is not the line for any superstar movie, first day, first show. This is the line for biryani. It rained and I thought people won't come, but just look at the crowd here. So this is the place, Anandam Biryani. So I'm not sure if we'll get the biryani. Let's see. So guys, we finally found a place to park the vehicles here. And the Anandam Biryani is over there. So Arun, what do you think about this place?
Oh my god, this is so crowded. I didn't expect this.
Yeah, even I did not expect this. I mean, it's still drizzling, but people are standing in the line. Arun, biryani kedikama?
Hopefully.
So guys, we are inside now. You can see here is the token system. So we have to basically buy a token here, and then there are two counters here. One is service counter, one is parcel counter. So basically, when you buy the token, you stand here or there. We have Mr. Anand here, who is the owner of this place. Let's ask him a couple of questions about this place. Hi sir, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸರ್ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸು ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಹೊಸಕೋಟೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಆನಂದ್ ದಮ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ?
ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ 21 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನನಗೆ 14 ವರ್ಷ ವಯಸ್ಸಿದ್ದಾಗ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಈಗ ನನಗೆ 35-36 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆಗ ವೀಕ್ಲಿ 3 ಡೇಸ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಆಗ 20 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಕ್ರೇಜ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಗ ಬರೀ 18 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಾವು, ಒಂದು ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ. ಈಗ 230 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆಗ 2 kg ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ. ಈಗ 1000 kg ಗಂಟ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ 2 ಅವರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 2 ಇಂದ 3 ಅವರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಡೇ ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಆವಾಗಿಂದನೂ ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಇವಾಗೂ ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೆಸರು ಹೊಸಕೋಟೆ ಆನಂದ್ ದಮ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಅಂತಲೇ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಹೊಸಕೋಟೆದಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ.
ಅದೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೋಟೋ ಆಚೆ ಫುಲ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು kg ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್ ಡೈಲಿ ನೀವು?
ಸಂಡೇ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, 1000 kg ಗಂಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಫ್ರೈಡೇ ಕಡಿಮೆ, ಒಂದು 500 kg ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಸೊ ಮೀಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಔಟ್ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಚೆಯಿಂದ ತೊಗೊಂಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವೇ ಕೊಯ್ಸ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವೇ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಲೋಕಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಟಿ ಕುರಿಗಳು ಸಿಗ್ತವೆ, ಆ ನಾಟಿ ಕುರಿ ಕೊಯ್ಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಬಳಸೋವಂಥ ಐಟಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾಟಿ ಐಟಮೇ. ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಶುಂಠಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಕೊತ್ತಂಬರಿ, ಪುದೀನ ಮತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾಟಿ ನಾವೇ ಸ್ವಂತ. ಮಸಾಲೆ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಓನ್ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಒಂದು ಮಸಾಲೆ. ಅವತ್ತಿಂದ ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಜನ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅದೇ ತುಂಬ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಅದೇ ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಆನಂದ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೂಮ್ ಆಯಿತು?
21 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು ಸರ್. 21 ಇಯರ್ಸ್.
21 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಓ ಸೂಪರ್ ಸರ್.
14 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ನನ್ನಿಂದಾನೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಹೋಟ್ಲು. ಈಗ ನನಗೆ 35-36.
ಏನೇನು ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್?
ಮಟನ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ, ಕಾಲ್ ಸೂಪು.
ಮಟನ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ, ಕಾಲ್ ಸೂಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಬಂದು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯೂವರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್?
ಸೊ ವ್ಯೂವರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬಂದು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೊಸಕೋಟೆ ಆನಂದ್ ದಮ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. So guys, we have got access to their kitchen. If you see here, right, this is a self-service place where they serve hot biryani, and that is the parcel place where they do a takeaway. So this is the place where they do the parcel stuff. So here they give good amount of rice and peas. So guys, I'll tell you why they call this as a dum biryani, alright? So while cooking the biryani in the vessel, right, they basically use the firewood. So they use the firewood to cook the biryani, and once the biryani is cooked, right, they will place all the remaining firewoods on top of the plate, which on the vessel, alright? So once they place on top of it, what it does is, it basically lets the dish breathe in its own aroma, right, or you can say juice, to make it more flavorful. So that is why they call it as dum biryani. The biryani, right, it's not sticky, it's very soft, and even the raita is really good. It's not raita is not watery, it's actually thick. In the meat, right, look at this, and this is a fatty layer which is very tasty. See, it breaks so easily. So when it breaks like this, it means that it is really cooked well. Guys, right now I'll tell you how to have the mutton biryani in a right way, alright? So basically, first you take some rice and then take some good quantity of raita. Again mix it well. And take a piece of mutton, place it on it. Let's go for a big bite. This combination is really well done. This is how you're supposed to eat the biryani, so that you know all these things. So Arun, how is the biryani?
You know what? This biryani is so delicious and yummy. Trust me, this is one of the best biryanis I've ever had.
True. Benjamin, how is the biryani?
Superb.
Will you come again?
Yeah, sure.
So guys, we are almost done with the video. We had a great breakfast ride and the biryani was really amazing. I mean, we also saw few of the crowd where they did not get hands on the biryani. They went out with disappointment. But we were lucky enough to get the biryani on time. So before I end the video, I want to share few tips with you guys. So the first point is this place is open only on Tuesdays, Fridays and Sundays. The timing is from 5:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. The second point is you get only mutton biryani and leg soup, which is really tasty. You won't get any other biryanis here. And the third point is, I mean, there's a small trick here. If you want to get the biryani without standing on the line, you have to either come somewhere around 9:30 a.m. If you come somewhere around that time, the crowd won't be there, and if you're lucky enough, you will get the biryani. But then the disadvantage is if you come late, sometimes sometimes you will not get the biryani as well. So that is one disadvantage. So guys, I'm done with the video. If you like the video, please make sure you click on the like button. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, please make sure you click on the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon to get notified every time I post a video. As always, subscribe to Vinci Vibes. Peace out. Boom.
Fearless.